was just meeting with the cement guy, trying to talk about laying some pavement so Hayden can build a little skate park or scooter park. I think it's gonna get a little out of control for sure. The guys asked if I could move the sand out of the volleyball court. I'm like, yeah, this is my spare time. I'll just move that sand for you real quick. Today we're gonna do some stuff with Mickey Thompson, so that'd be cool. The guys are coming by, I think the team of sales guys gonna come over, do a little prep rally, talk about products and stuff I like doing. You know, anything I sell or be a part of, I like to, you know, talk, explain it to the guys that are selling it so they understand who I am, what we're doing. You know, there's nothing worse than a dude is trying to sell something that doesn't know the heritage of what it's about. You know, I only could imagine people buying Deegan tires. I mean, I'm sure everyone like anyone that knows me or know the history of what we've done, I'm sure has some stories or some questions, and it's good for the sales guys to know that and kind of know what they're talking about. And Mickey's been a good supporter of me and my racing and my kids' racing, so it's all good. This is what I guess you call a job, but it's not really, you know, it's not really like working, so.
Where is it, Hudson? Who is that?
5 stars? I don't know who it is.
What's up?
Hey, what's up, kiddo?
How are you? Good.
Who are these people?
Who are they?
I don't know.
Hey, what's up? How you doing, man?
Do I know you?
Schnuckles. Yeah, it's Ken. You don't know me? Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
How you doing, buddy?
I see another chips. Can I grab this pack of chips?
Sure you can.
Okay. Thank you.
Is this your new party bus, Hudson?
No. 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 Ooh, yeah. Okay, see ya.
How you guys?
Good, how are you? I'm
I'm
Kevin.
Brian.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Dan.
I'm Kevin.
Kevin.
Yep. How you doing, Tom?
Yeah, how you? Yeah.
Hi.
Hey,
Brian.
Ed
Huffman, nice to meet
Yeah, Brian.
Thanks.
Hi.
Hi, Haley.
Hey, how are you?
Ed Huffman, nice to meet you. Congratulations on all
Thank you.
your...
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Haley. I'm Brooke. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Just about trying to
Oh, look at the size of that dog. Look at the size of that dog.
Yeah, everyone's here, all the sales guys from Mickey Thompson, so we're gonna go see what the plan is. I think we'll probably get everyone together, do a little prep rally sales deal, and try to talk about wheels and tires, see what happens. Maybe get the race truck out and go mess around. We'll see. It's about 110 out, so it's definitely hot.
Oh, he looks mean. He's gonna bite you.
No, I didn't. He just really
My focus is off-road, like that's where I am, and everyone knows that I race off-road. You know, I still have a massive foundation of dirt bikes because I still ride. I love riding. So I still have that tie to X Games and all the guys. Hayden wants to do X Games here eventually, but I don't know, we're thinking about that one. And but he's a big-time motocross kid. He's you know, the best kid in the nation in motocross, which he's on his way too. So the bottom line is, as us together, like we'll go race, like let's say Glenn Helen, Haley will race Pro Light, I'll race Pro 2, and tomorrow we're gonna go test. Haley's gonna test Pro Light, I'm gonna test Pro 2. I'm into developing stuff, and I always want to make stuff better, and I want to feel like what we're doing is gonna help the tires that we're selling too. And I think that's what the customers need to feel and see, like, hey, we're actually, what we're racing is going back into tire development. I want people to have that tie.
All right. So 1, 2,
38.
I took a couple.
Got it.
She got her
That's
little piece
so
of paper,
cool.
so she's so excited. So
Oh, I need to get my license back. I lost mine back in January. I've been running it without one.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
DUI?
no.
All right.
Mine got stolen. Congratulations, Sophie, on getting your license. Don't get pulled over.
Thank you.
we're gonna go give some rides, which is cool. It's what I like doing, so people can experience what off-road is and short course, you know? It'll help them be a better fan of the sport, that's for sure. So get to go give a couple rides to some sponsors. It's a cool part about the two-seater, you know? It's having fun like this with everyone, so they'll be stoked. Guarantee this will be the sickest thing they ever do in their life. Hands down. Think you can contest to that.
My neck still hurts.
Better sign that waiver, dude.
Like, there is a reason I'm wearing this.
Sign your mark.
Oh no. No.
You got it? Brooke, give me your hands.
Oh, yeah!
Look at that.
Those get in the ladder.
All right, good to go.
So we're getting ready to get in, go for a ride over here. We got some jumps, a little short course track, should be pretty cool. And we got the guys from Mickey Thompson hanging out, brought some of the sales guys and actually some of our customers. So just think, support our stuff, you get to do cool stuff like this. So what's everyone else doing, huh? That's what I thought. Pretty good. He was tensed up pretty hard. He was like, that was about 500 feet from being really bad. Imagine that happening on the ramp. It would just endo into that. It would be a gnarly landing.
It make for a great YouTube video.
I know. I figured it probably would gargle it, give me a warning at least in a turn from laying over the fuel. But man, it just shut off quick. It was like,
That didn't gargle that much at all.
what?
It like shut off.
Just shut
Really
off
quick.
instantly. Didn't even gargle.
You didn't hear it gargle.
It didn't gargle. But
We got an earbud stuck.
in my ear. Ah.
There we go. Got it.
I'll talk to you soon, all right? Good luck with testing tomorrow. See you, kid.
See ya.
Take care of yourself, all right?
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks, dude.
Yep. Thanks, Haley.
See ya.
Yep, appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to
Good luck.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Thanks.
Awesome time, man.
So we just got done today driving my two-seater truck with the guys from Mickey Thompson Tire. Got to come out, jump hundreds of feet in the air, 900 horsepower race truck. I think that's probably one of the coolest ways to do a sales meeting, anything for the business. So make sure you check out the link below for the Deacon 38 tires by Mickey Thompson. support the sport, everything we do, giving back, just want to basically have fun and do crazy stuff. So that's what's up. Support and subscribe.
It's like hair.
Haley, how good am I at photo shoots?
They're the worst. Like, look at this. Right? Like, Gavin, like, that does not look good. Look at my hair. Oh my God!
Whoa! That was scary.